and mutual benefit and peaceful coexistence. These are the Panchil. And last time I mentioned Chindia. What is Chindia? China and India. After this agreement, we call it as China and India, Chindia. But the China backstabbed us. In which year?
62.
62 or 65?
62. 62.
71 Bangladesh war.
62, sir.
65 which country? We had two wars in this one decade. When the China backstabbed, the Nehru couldn't take it, but he died. And after that, by taking the advantage of his, Pakistan launched its attack. When did the Lal Bahadur Shastri become the Prime Minister? After the death of Nehru. Pakistan war. ऐसा याद रखिए. Please remember this. When the China backstabbed, that was the reason, one of the sole reason for Nehru's death. He took it to his heart. 1998. Which are not the following schedules of the Constitution of India, certain provisions of anti-defection law. Every year, there is a favorite question. One is Tiger, one is Mahatma Gandhi, one is Tiger, and one is anti-defection law. Every time UPSC comes up with this question, alternate year. Even you see this year question also. There will be some relevance to the anti-defection law. Which schedule has this anti-defection law? 10th schedule. Article number 102, clause 2 to 191, clause 2 contains the disqualification based on. It was introduced by which amendment? 52nd Constitutional Amendment Act, brought in 1985. Previously, the 10th schedule was given to Sikkim. The Sikkim was not part of India. Sikkim was integrated into India. A special 10th schedule was made for the Sikkim, and when Sikkim became integrated part of India, it was taken out, and again 10th schedule was brought for anti-defection law. You might get a question. Originally the 10th schedule was for, you will be knowing the anti-defection law, but you won't be knowing the Sikkim. Please make in mind. If I am setting the paper, I will get this question to confuse you. So please read this. I am going to the next question. Indian parliamentary system is different from the British parliamentary system in which way? Both a real and a nominal executive. A system of collective responsibility, bicameral legislature, and system of judicial review. Now, system of judicial review is taken from which country? USA. So, option D is for what? Bicameral legislature. When did we have bicameral legislature? Crown's rule. Which act? 1909, 1919, 1935. 1919. Again it was brought in 1935. Abolished in provinces. Please remember. So what is the collective responsibility? The executive is responsible to the House of People. House of People. How do you know that the people are happy or not with the elected representative? What does the opposition brings? Confidence motion or no confidence motion? No confidence motion. So the system of collective responsibility is a concept. It comes into existence by the no confidence motion. Once the government loses the no confidence motion, it has to resign. When in what cases the government will fall? When the prime minister, the leader resigns or dies, and during the case of no confidence motion. And if the budget motion fails, in 3 cases the government will fall. What is the cases? When the prime minister dies or vacates, gives resignation. Second case, no confidence motion. Third case, the budget. When the budget fails. Now, at present we cannot assume that the budget will not pass. But there were times where the budget, there was a occasion that the ruling party comes with fears, saying that the budget will not be implemented. and the government will fall. Classic case, the budget given by the Manmohan Singh during the PV Narasimha Rao. He came with the bold reforms and there were apprehensions that whether this budget will pass or not. He took a political risk by bringing the budget of 1991. So remember this, even if the budget fails, the government will fall. Come to 1999. Constitution of India recognizes only religious minorities, only linguistic minorities, religious or linguistic minorities, religious, linguistic, ethnic. Ethnic. You use the word ethnic in your answer. Does the Constitution of India recognizes it? No. You have to mark this in your answer. When you write ethnic, you write a one statement there in the bracket. The Constitution of India does not recognize the ethnic minorities. So can you answer this question? Religious and linguistic minorities. Which article talks about it? Article number 30. Panchayati Raj Bill again 1993. Remember 93, 3, 4, 5. This is a major confusion which when I was reading, I had this major confusion. But how to it was 73rd amendment or 74th amendment or 72nd or 73rd. So remember 3, 4, 5. 1993, 74th amendment, 75th amendment. So all these are there. So please go through it. Amendment of India can be initiated by which option? An amendment to the Constitution of India can be initiated by Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, State Legislature and President. Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. There are options above. Either house of the parliament. India is the only parliament can start the amendment of the constitution. Neither president nor state legislature. Options are 1 alone, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. An amendment of the constitution may be initiated only by the bill for the purpose in either house of the parliament. So answer 1 and 2. 47. Which of the following you came late? All of you have come late. When did you come? In the morning? How many of you have come late? I came at 9:15. So I'll take some more time till I complete the 20th century. I do with my inter students also. Once they come late, I'll extend the time. Once I did it, from the next day, they are coming 5 minutes early. At least 5 to 10 minutes early. They know that if they are late, I'll increase the time. So consider the following statements. Election law. Representation of People's Act 1996. A candidate can contest from more than one parliamentary constituencies. Can, example, I am not reading the options there. I am just going to the question, solution. A candidate can contest from more than one seat parliamentary constituencies. Examples. PM Vajpayee. During the Vajpayee time, he contested from 5 states. Lucknow. And he won in all 5 states. But he selected the Lucknow branch. So what are the two main examples, present examples who contested for 2 times, 2 places?
Modi.
Narendra Modi contested from
Uttar Pradesh and
Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Another famous example. He won into both. But another example. Congress. He lost in one elections and won in another. Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi elected from Amethi. He lost to who is the minister? Who is the women minister? Famous actor Smriti Irani. He lost to Smriti Irani in Amethi, but he won from Kerala. So one person can contest from 2 places. Living examples are there.